What's happening, guys? Thanks for tuning into On the Docks again. I'm here in an undisclosed location in National City working on my never-ending Boston Whaler project. Yeah, but we're almost done with it. I've resealed the whole bottom. I've painted it. I've got bottom paint on it. It's been a lot of work, and it's finally flipped over now, sitting on a trailer. We just put the motor on here. It's not started yet, but it's there. And right now I'm going to work on kind of filling in the holes and the cracks here along the top, just to make sure it's all watertight before we splash, and then get the motor started, and we should finally be done. Then from here on out, it's just nothing but sunset, skiff rides, and surf sessions. It's a lot of S's. First off, I just want to apologize. I again forgot my camera, and I am using my phone once more, just like the last video. I am going to stop doing that. Sorry if the sound quality is bad. There's a lot of background noise. There's like factories around and stuff. But I don't intend to have all my videos like this. It'll be better, I promise. And also, if you'd like to subscribe and see those nicer videos, you can just click below, and I'd really appreciate it. We're almost at 1,000 now, so I would be stoked if you guys subscribed and liked. Anyway, here's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna peel off all this old rotting wood along the side of the boat here. I'm gonna fill all these cracks after some sanding, all these little old holes where the wood was screwed onto, and fill some of these other holes here, and these old motor mount holes. And that's gonna be it for today, and then we're gonna work on getting the motor started next time. All right, I got most of the screws out. Some of them did not want to come out all the way, so we'll have to deal with that later. But now I'm working on peeling off this wood and all that nasty glue that was holding it down. And I'm using this awesome tool here to kind of chisel it away, and it's working really nicely. Go. All right, I got most of this rub rail off here. It pulled up a lot of the railing, exposing some fiberglass, but we'll just have to seal it up. We're probably gonna throw some gel magic on it and smooth it all out like we did the bottom. Yeah, coming along. So glad to finally have that old rotting wood off the side. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab the sander and smooth out these rails a little bit. All right, we got all the rails nice and smoothly sanded. Came up real easy. I just got to go back and get the right product, the gel magic, in order to smooth out everything and fill up all these holes. I did do a couple holes with just 5200. Just messy, easy little fillers, just to make sure water doesn't get in to some of these weird places down there. But bit of a hack job, but what do you expect? I'm happy with it, really. I mean, it's coming along, and we're almost done. I just got to finish sealing up some of the last holes and then get the motor started, and that's it. We're gonna do the gear oil and hope that starts right up. And that, it's coming along. I'm stoked. I can't wait. I just want to get out on the water and start surfing Ralph's again. It's been too long. Been too damn long. All right, we're back at the yard again. Day 2. Well, day like 400 actually, but day 2 of this video. And what we're gonna do today, I did all the rails yesterday. I pulled off all the old rub rail, the old wooden railing on here. So now I'm gonna seal up all these cracks and holes with some gel magic, and then I'm gonna work on the motor a little bit actually. And there's a small chance that I might be able to get that running today, so. But I'm not getting my hopes up. I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of acetone on these rails to clean up all the dust. Also gonna put a little acetone right here around this hole so that I can put the through hole in there with some 5200. So this is gonna go around the edge here. Use plenty because you want it to seal. And I'm gonna shove it through. And I'm gonna put this plug on the other side. Let's do it. Alright, we're gonna let that dry. There's the plug holding it on this side. Once it's dry and in there, then I'm gonna pull that out and fill in the rest. Alright, now we're gonna whip up a little bit of gel magic and do the rails. Here we go. Mixing up the gel magic. First, take your purple gel magic. So it's getting a little old. Mix it up a little bit. Just some purple down there. Basically a 2-to-1 ratio, so twice as much purple as yellow. You'll see the other one. Basically 2 big scoops. I think should be enough. Use the fresh end of the stick so you don't mix it up. I got 2. 1 big scoop of gold. About 2-to-1. Mix it up. Stuff works really well. It basically makes a whole new layer of gel coat on the boat, and it's great for piece of shit whalers and other things. Stir it up until it looks about like that. Start spreading. Alright, the gel magic is on. All those cracks and holes are filled, and now we just gotta wait for it to dry. Alright, now that the gel magic and 5200 is curing, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put some gear oil in this thing. I got the new pump with the right adapter. Hondas need a special adapter to plug in the gear oil pump. Slide in the pump. See if anything comes out. Alright. Don't want any air bubbles in there. Now we're gonna pump until oil comes out of here. I'm gonna plug this plug back in. Slowly. It's probably gonna come shooting out at me. Better keep my mouth closed. Screw it in a little bit, keep going. All right, I'm about to hook up some water to the motor. We're gonna see if we can get it started, and I've got a good feeling. can't get this sucker started. All right, neutral. Oops. Safety switch. Woo! Well, we got the motor started. Holy shit, it is nice to hear that thing purring. The only problem is it's not pissing. So I think the impeller is probably all dried out and cracked and probably in like 1,000 pieces. And I'm gonna order an impeller kit, learn how to get the impeller out and put a new one in. And the motor starts right up. I'm gonna do the rub rail. And that boat is done as far as I'm concerned. Oh, fuck, I can't wait. Off to Marine Exchange or West Marine or whoever has parts these days. It's not easy right now with the COVID. Oh, by the way, this is my badass new van. It is a complete mess right now and it's completely empty and not built, but I got my little surfboard sit there. I'm gonna do a bed platform right across there. Plan on doing some videos, so stay tuned for